Ever wondered how to make the perfect tagliatelle al ragu at home? Welcome to the world of Italian culinary delight, where we are about to explore the origins of this classic dish. Tagliatelle al ragu, known for its wide, flat pasta bathed in a rich, slow-cooked meat sauce, is a cornerstone of Italian cuisine. The ragu, traditionally made with beef, tomatoes, onions, carrots, celery, and a splash of red wine, combines with the al dente pasta to create a comfort food experience like no other. Today, we're going to unravel the secret to making the perfect tagliatelle al ragu. The heart of this dish is the ragu, a slow-cooked meat sauce. To start, we'll need a trio of veggies: onions, carrots, and celery. This trinity forms the aromatic base of our ragu. Sauté these in olive oil until they're soft and fragrant. Now it's time for the main attraction, the beef. Add it to the pan and cook until it's beautifully browned. Once you've achieved that rich color, it's time to introduce the tomatoes. They'll add a wonderful sweetness and acidity that balances out the richness of the meat. And let's not forget the red wine. Its deep, fruity notes will elevate the flavors of our ragu to new heights. Once all the ingredients are in, let it simmer. This is where the magic happens. The slow cooking process allows all the flavors to meld together, creating a sauce that's hearty, rich, and absolutely delicious. While the ragu is simmering, we can move on to the next step. Tagliatelle, wide and flat pasta, is the perfect companion for our rich ragu. This pasta holds the sauce in a delightful way, ensuring every bite is a burst of flavor. Let's get it prepared. To start, we'll need a large pot of salted water. The salt enhances the taste of the pasta, giving it a nice kick. Bring the water to a rolling boil and then gently add your tagliatelle. Be careful not to break these long, delicate strands. Now here's the crucial part: cooking the pasta until it's al dente, which means to the tooth. You want the pasta to be tender yet still firm when bitten. For tagliatelle, this usually takes around 7 to 8 minutes. But don't pour all that water down the drain. Before you drain the pasta, scoop out a cup of the pasta water. This starchy water is a secret weapon in Italian cooking, perfect for loosening up the sauce and helping it cling to the pasta. Now that our pasta is ready, it's time to bring everything together. Now comes the most satisfying part: marrying our ragu with the tagliatelle. The magic begins when we unite the two stars of this culinary show. First, we drain our tagliatelle, but remember, don't discard all the pasta water. It's full of starchy goodness, which can be the secret to adjusting our sauce to the perfect consistency. Next, we introduce our tagliatelle to the ragu. The wide, flat shape of the pasta is perfect for cradling the hearty sauce, and as they become acquainted in the pan, you can almost hear the sigh of contentment. Now, let's give them some time to get to know each other. We'll simmer them together gently, allowing the pasta to absorb the rich flavors of the ragu. As they mingle, watch the transformation. The ragu clings lovingly to the pasta, and the pasta, in turn, absorbs the ragu's robust flavors, creating a harmonious blend that is the very essence of Italian comfort food. If you find the sauce a bit thick, this is where that reserved pasta water comes into play. Add it in, bit by bit, stirring gently until you reach the desired consistency. It's all about balance. The pasta and ragu should complement each other, neither one overpowering the other. And there you have it, a plate of perfect tagliatelle al ragu, where the pasta and sauce are not just mixed, but married in a union that is a feast for the senses. There you have it, a plate of perfect tagliatelle al ragu. Let's recap the steps we took to create this Italian masterpiece. We started by preparing the ragu, a slow-cooked meat sauce traditionally made with beef, tomatoes, onions, carrots, celery, and red wine. This process requires patience, but the result is a rich, hearty sauce that's absolutely worth the wait. Next, we moved on to the tagliatelle. This wide, flat pasta is the perfect vehicle for our ragu, capturing every bit of the sauce's intricate flavors. Cooking it to al dente ensures a pleasant, chewy texture that complements the ragu beautifully. Finally, we combined the ragu and the tagliatelle, creating a harmonious blend of flavors and textures that's truly a comfort food experience. The beauty of this recipe lies in its simplicity. Each ingredient shines, and together, they create something truly special. So, give it a try, and don't forget to share your experiences. Remember, the secret to the perfect tagliatelle al ragu lies in the slow-cooked ragu and perfectly al dente pasta. Happy cooking!